Welcome to App Junkie. App Junkie provides fast, easy and informative answers to your app-related questions. The subject that we'll be discussing in this video will be Top 5 running apps to track your progress. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned runner, there is no doubt that you want to continuously improve your performance. Fortunately, there are now a number of running apps that can help you track your progress and see just how far you've come. In this video, we'll be discussing the top 5 running apps that can help you track your progress, set goals, and stay motivated. We will also be providing a brief overview of each app so that you can decide which one is right for you. 1. Strava. Strava is the perfect app to use whether you're a cyclist, runner, or walker who wants to keep tabs on their fitness and performance. Strava transforms any iOS or Android device into a powerful fitness tracker. With Strava, users can log their workouts and races and then publish them on their feeds, where their followers and friends can comment and like them. It's a one-stop app for connecting with people who share your interests, so you won't have to download any additional messaging or social networking services. Additionally, the map section of the Strava mobile app can be used to get driving instructions to the beginning of a route. The app's visual design is likewise top-notch. The topographical and elevation changes along a path, leg of a journey, or course can be more easily visualized with the help of a 3D map. By opting in, users of the Strava mobile app will have access to a 3D layer that can be used on any live map. You can view your friends' actions in 3D, as well as the maps on the record page, and in the Maps tab, which includes routes. Strava is indeed your all-in-one and go-to fitness tracker app. 2. Charity Miles. Charity Miles is a socially motivated app that allows you to raise money for a charity of your choice based on the number of miles and steps that you log. Both iOS and Android devices can utilize this app. Charity Miles is committed to bringing attention to the vast number of organizations located all over the world and fostering a more intimate relationship between users, sponsors, and the organizations themselves. This cutting-edge tool is easy on the system resources and very supportive to users who are just starting out. Through the use of Charity Miles, you are able to transform a casual stroll through the neighborhood or a weekend excursion into a charitable donation. Simply pick a charitable organization and start to work. Your every move is recorded by the app. You contribute to the fundraising efforts of the organization of your choice to the extent that you log each mile you run. Users have access to more than 40 charitable organizations that are significantly advancing causes related to health, children, animals, the environment, and even education. This app is ideal for you if you are searching for additional motivation to jump out of bed and engage in a physical activity, since it will provide you with that motivation. Imagine getting in shape while helping out your community at the same time. 3. Zombies Run. Zombies Run is an app that you may have seen if you've been browsing the App Store or Play Store recently. Zombies Run is prominently featured as a top app, and for good reason. This software has been around for a while, yet it still manages to be one of the top downloaded fitness apps in both markets. If you're a fan of scary stories who need a little more motivation, this app is for you. These days, people are more interested in exercising than ever before, and this app gives you the same thrills as today's most popular horror games and movies. This app's used gamification principles to make running entertaining by transforming it into a zombie chase video game. Within the app, you may pick from several different tales. Your current mission and its associated preferences are selected by you. Whether or not the GPS will follow you, how long you want it to count your steps, and how far you want to go on your run are all up to you. When using a treadmill, it is recommended that you disable your GPS. It's up to you to decide within the app whether you want to listen to your own tunes while the zombies shamble around outside. If you choose the zombie chase mode, hordes of the dead will chase after you while you run, encouraging you to keep up a brisk pace. This running application is certain to get you out of the door and running. 4. Joggo. The Joggo provides a complete program that includes exercise, healthy eating, and expert coaching. If you're looking for an app that will guide you and help you lose weight and get in shape, then this app is perfect for you. There is not a single thing here that would be too difficult for a beginner. With Joggo's assistance, users may build up their jogging skills step by step. This software provides a whole running program, from stretching to warm-ups to cool-downs. The training plan is made to help you push your body further than it's been used to going, without risking injury or overtraining. Those who enjoy jogging but have trouble sticking to a specific training schedule will benefit greatly from this course. A brief warm-up run is the first step toward achieving your goals. Although donning running shoes and heading outdoors to hit the pavement may seem simple, there is actually quite a bit more to the sport than meets the eye. First, you need to master the fundamentals, such as breathing exercises and proper posture, before you can start running. To get the most out of your workouts, you'll learn how your body functions with this program. All of your questions will be answered in this app as you go. 5. Relive. The Relive app creates a 3D animated video in under a minute that highlights the athletes' journeys by combining data from their performance trackers with digital maps from Esri. Metrics such as terrain elevation, distance travelled, and average speed during a ride or run are included in the animation, as are pop-ups with images taken along the way. Distance, elevation gain, speed, and duration of each excursion are just some of the details highlighted by the app. Relive can sync and work with a wide variety of mobile devices and apps, both native and third-party, for both iOS and Android. You'll adore Relive if you're the type who enjoys being outside for a run, ride, walk, or any other kind of adventure. If you're looking for a running app to help you stay on track, any of the apps on this list will do the trick. They all have their own unique features, so it's worth trying a few to see which one works best for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more sports app recommendations.